We're doing 24-25 on the first edition French Charizard base set. Appreciate you, man. Go ahead. Tails. You're looking for carp? I got a magic carp in here.
First edition carps.
Where are you, bud?
I'm sure it's hidden somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I had it out. No one was appreciating it, so I tucked it. I tucked it for the last.
I appreciate it for sure.
Well, now everybody wants vintage, but last couple months,
it's grew up.
It was like everyone just wanted the modern bangers. Oh, here we go. Check that out. Yeah, buddy.
It's amazing.
Now, the price is old because this is my PC binder, so we're gonna have to recopy. That's from August.
For sure.
We
Right
could
now
just.
it's selling like.
I haven't even looked.
It's like 150.
Okay.
TCG.
Yeah, check it out. Yeah, of course.
What's
So
the
what
lowest on it?
Say it again. The Gengar. Let me see. Let me check it out. Check out the copy real quick.
I like this card. I like my fish.
Let me check if I have room. Here you go.
I'll take it from you. So.
All right, let me price it.
Sure.
Then again, this is for my PC, or else I wouldn't be messing with the sticker.
So this is what light play.
I would call it. I feel like with the vintage like this, I usually look at what the like grades are selling for, because TCG doesn't sell like every week even. You know what I mean? So let me see. I'll be reasonable though. Like I would call this, because again, I grade all this vintage. I would say this would probably get like maybe a 7 or 8.
Yeah.
Probably 7, just because of how slammed it is. Let me see.
PSA or like
No, I check like all, and just like again, I kind of look at both. I'll look at near mint, and then I'll look at. So I would say for vintage, this is near mint, just because it would get a 7.
Yeah.
It definitely wouldn't 6.
Yeah, so the one I see there are like between 100 and 200.
Yeah.
Like
you want to meet me in the middle and do 150?
Why? 150, I would be happy with that.
Let's do it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Appreciate you, man. What was your name?
Alexi, I'm from Montreal, Canada.
Alexi, my guy Alexi from Montreal, Canada, getting the first ed base set magic card for 150. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Man, you have such a nice collection. I wish more people would have like OGs like you. Like,
come on, man. Yeah. I just enjoy when people are excited about a card and I have it.
I am.
You said you're from Montreal?
Yes.
Oh, you guys got the best bagels out there.
We do, and the poutine also is pretty nice.
You know, LA bagels are kind of modeled after Montreal bagels.
Really?
Yep, they're copying you guys. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man. Enjoy the card.
Do you have a card? Can I follow you?
Yeah. Follow us, please. Here, go ahead, scan right there. What up, guys? How you doing? Good. Let me know if you have any questions, okay?
Thank you, man.
Of course. Have a good show.
Perhaps like a Hitman chant, I don't know, the Magnetons.
Yeah, that one is. We can talk on that one too. It's also a very expensive one.
Yeah.
Let me see what I have it at. I actually bumped it down recently to be realistic with its condition.
Okay.
So yeah, I'd call this one maybe moderately played.
Okay.
I have it priced around what a PSA 4 would do, because that's kind of the current like landscape of pricing vintage. I'm definitely being reasonable. I'm not trying to overprice it, but feel free to shoot me an offer too.
Yeah. Would you do it for the 3? Would you do 250?
So this is 60. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, let's do it. All right, my guy David is picking up some childhood cards. We got Magneton first ed. We got Magmar first ed. We got Machoke first ed. All for 250. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. You take a photo and you're good to go.
Sure. You know any Jumbo Vaporeons by chance?
Yeah. Oh, Vaporeon? Oh, I got Flareons, which you've probably already seen.
I saw your like vintage cards. I'm like, oh, this is dope.
Damn, do I? Let me double check. And are you only looking in English?
Any guys?
Okay, let me check. Let me see. Might be in my PC binder.
I don't want to take your piece.
Nah, dude, I don't care. Nothing's really PC. It's just stuff I kind of like a little more. Oh, yeah, here we go.
Oh, hell yeah.
Boom. Oh, boom.
Hey.
Come on. Yeah. Anything else you need?
That's it, dude.
Just those guys? Okay.
How much for this one, though?
Let me see.
With a lot in both, I guess.
Probably like 30 for both?
30 bucks?
Yeah.
I'm down, man.
All right, let's do it. My guy John is buying both these Vaporeons from Jungle. He's master setting. Oh shit. Hey, actually, you know this one's actually more rare. So this one is a no hollow symbol Vaporeon. Have you seen that before?
Hey.
Oh, sorry.
Error?
This one's more rare. This one is a no symbol, so there's no jungle symbol on it. This one does have a jungle symbol. I don't even think I priced it with that, but you can still have it for that. Check it out. So look,
Yo,
no symbol,
sure?
symbol. Yeah, of course. All good, dude. Come on, easy. Say it again? Yeah, of course. First,
Charizard?
say it again? Yeah, of course. Thanks for asking.
Go for 105 for that
Absolutely,
one?
brother. All right, my boy George is picking up the first Ed Dark Magneton. Look at that. For 105. Appreciate you, man. Hell yeah. Thinking about that Charizard?
It's sick, dude. Honestly,
It's a sick card. Yeah.
I'm just trying to like see the prices on
Yeah, let me double check the price on it too. Dark Charizard, first edition. So, oh, okay, yeah, I'm seeing markets like 115 actually for it
Yeah.
right now. Okay, well, what kind of offer you want to give me?
Did you do 100 flat?
Could you do 105?
Maybe do 105.
Let's do it. My guy Dylan's picking up Dark Charizard, non-holo for 105, first edition. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the business.
No, thank you.
Is this you?
Yeah, look through it. And then
Any Meowth or Ditto in here?
I got some Dittos behind me, actually. Yeah, look through that. I think I have Dittos. You looking for like fossil Dittos?
I'm looking just for ones you don't see every day. Dittos or Meowth.
Oh, do you already have the fossil ones?
Oh yeah.
You have all of them? Japanese too?
I'm trying to look for English.
Okay, yeah, no, I don't think I have Dittos you're looking for then. I only have like variations of fossil. I think I have some Kogas. Do you have Kogas?
No, I don't.
Let me see if I have it on me. This is what I have for English. Check if you have these. Oh, that's Japanese.
I have both of those.
You have the holo?
Yeah, I have
Okay.
both of
I think I just had the first edition too. Let me see. Oh, here's the first Ed non-holo. Do you have that? Okay. Yeah, if you want that, I'll price it for you.
Alright, yeah. Where you hoping to be?
Let me look it up. I didn't even have it out, so I just have to just look up a price, but I'll be fair on it. So market's like 16 bucks. You can give me like 15 for it.
Could you do 13 Venmo? Yeah.
Max is picking up Ditto first edition, the non-holo one for 13 bucks Venmo. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, bro. Have a good show.
Would you like to do 12?
What is it? Let's see. Absolutely. Appreciate it. Hell yeah. Johnson's picking up Suicune from Neo. Very cool card for 12 bucks. Thank you, man. Appreciate you shopping with me. Hell yeah. Dude, Billy. All right, we got a deal going with Billy. Hold on, move it this way so we can see it a little bit. Yeah, we got a deal going with Billy, right? So we are giving out, we got the Charizard UPC promos. We got the Ray. We got Lucario. We got the Mew VMAX. And we're taking in one of my favorite cards, Sabrina's Gengar in a PSA 9, unlimited. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hell yeah.
You look familiar. Do you have a shop locally?
Ooh, I don't have a shop. I do a bunch of YouTube content, like
That's why I've
Instagram.
seen
Yeah,
you
you might have
stuff
seen
like
like a random, like, stupid reel. We do a bunch of Pokemon content. Yeah, but yeah, man, what was your name?
I'm Daniel.
Daniel, good to meet you. Charlie.
Charlie, nice to meet you.
Yo, me and Fabio are doing a deal. We're doing 24.25 on the first edition French Charizard base set. Appreciate you, man. Go ahead. Tails. Tails, baby. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Damn, I haven't won a flip in so long.
Dude, I never win. That's why I was like, oh, I'm dooming myself right now.
1, 2, 3.
Y'all hear this? I hope you don't hear this. Shout out to Steve Aoki though. Take Me Back to Pallet Town is here. He's examining some cards. We're gonna do some restoration, some cleaning, and we're gonna resubmit some cards that we cracked out of slabs and see what we can do. Did you see with that one? Just that dent?
It was just down on the top.
Because yeah, that too, like, I mean, it's not a 10 because of centering, but I was like, oh, easy 9.
So clean though.
It's so clean.
That's real. It's nasty.
Last one. I won't take up too much of your time.
Okay.
Look at this guy for me real quick, if you don't mind. Dude, I think that one has the same problem. Like, there's like a dent somewhere.
Center, you know, is going to kill you.
Yeah, centering's keeping it from tanning. It was really clean other than that. What up, brother? How are you? Good. Selling some base set packs? I'm okay. Yeah, thank you though. Appreciate you bringing it by me.
hard to say what this is. You see, there's like a hand. It's like freckling almost at the top, or right here on the 30. I don't know if I can bring it up. It's one of those things where it's so small.
Yeah, you're like, is it a flaw? Is it like, is it print?
It's definitely a flaw. I'm just trying to think. Yeah, it's one of those things where probably to take it home, look at it under the microscope, and get a better idea of what it is that we're looking
I might skip that guy.
Honestly, I would.
Yeah,
I mean,
I'll skip it for now, but I can, you know, that one's not like super profitable. It's just more like, I felt like the card was so nice, it deserved to look better. Well, let me see, is this 4? Maybe we start with these, oh, there's 5. Let's start with these 5, and then just hit me up when you're at home, you look at them, and then you like know what the pricing will be for each one. Approximately, and then we can go from there, dude. But hell yeah. Oh, all right, so we got first ed for Alligator going out. We got the Shining Gyarados going out. Big dent on this one. We got the, what is this? Gengar. This is the banned Gengar with the tombstones in the background. This one got a 6. We got this one right here, Charizard going out. This one also got a 6. Really clean copy. And then we got a really banged up Karen's Umbreon. This one he's gonna have to do some magic on because this one's all fucked up. But yeah, TBD, man. Let's see how it goes. Here you go, brother. Yeah, I'll take a picture of him so I remember because I forget everything. My guy got the briefcase and it's cuffed to the wrist, so you got to take his arm with it. Absolutely. Later, guys. Manifesting a buyer. I'm manifesting a strong buyer, 18K or up. Yeah, it's on the way. Hey, I don't know, let me meet your mama. Who's coming by my Charizard?
Yeah, the only first like base set ones I'm looking for are the Zard and
What's up? Do you want the Zard?
I know.
I'll give them to you for 18K. The PSA 7 just sold for 25K.
Yeah, fucking crazy.
Yeah, hey.
Well, I was working on a deal with Will
Uh-huh.
for a CGC 6 he has.
How much does he have it for?
He personally bought it for 6.9.
Okay, what does he want for it?
He wants 10, but he also is. I told him I'd shop around, look for comps. Someone over there is selling a BGS 6 for 8.
Okay.
So I'd probably ask him to either match that or.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Because BGS over CGC for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, feel free to shoot me an offer on that,
Yeah,
man.
it looks like very, very last sold December 3rd, 170 for 8.
Okay.
180, 190, so anywhere between 170, 180, 190.
Okay.
Maybe like 180 for comp.
Okay.
With that?
Yeah, I mean, is that your offer, 180?
I'd probably offer you like 165 cash.
I can do 170.
170, that works.
Yeah, let's do it. Adam is picking up the first ed, Erica's Dragonair, for 170 cash. Appreciate you, man. It's a nice card. I just graded it recently too.
Oh, you grade
New
yourself?
cert. Yeah, I grade everything. These are all like my childhood cards. Even the Zard. All this stuff. Yeah, all this stuff, dude.
Any offers on your Zard yet?
No, not besides his hypothetical 17K. I don't know if it's 10.
Yeah, what do you want this?
What, I want the Mew?
Those are.
What's the Mew at?
Say, 18, I think. It's like a bunch of comps around there. It also went up to 25.
I'm like, would that be easier? Is it PSA?
PSA 10, yeah.
Honestly, because you want to get Zard, huh?
Yeah.
If you give me a little time, because I need the cash. So what I'm gonna do is, if I can find a buyer for that Mew, I'll do it, and I'll sell
You
it.
can easily find buy for that deal. It's like
I think so too.
very liquid.
Let me see it. Can I take a photo?
Yeah.
Let me try and just find a buyer like ahead, like from one of the homies. What would be your offer if we end up doing this with that?
I'd like 2.
Like 2 for this?
Yeah.
Let me see. So honestly, I just want to at least be able to take home 17 bottom. So if I can get like, you know what I mean? If we can work a play, I'll help you work a play. And help me too, shit, because I'm trying to get the sale as well. So 18.7 are the last 2 comps on this. I'd be more comfortable based on what I think people are gonna pay, like cash, would be like that or this +1 for that.
For this?
Yeah.
Yes.
You couldn't do it?
Because that's
Would +2 be your best?
Huh?
Would 2 be your best?
That's pretty, I think it's pretty good.
Okay.
That's 14, you know. That's like,
So this +2, okay. Let me try and work something.
Yeah.
You guys aren't looking for one of those Chinese Mew?
No, that's too expensive.
Oh, it's so expensive, but all right, dude offered me, he said if I give him this +2K, give me the Chinese Mew.
Chinese Mew like 16K.
Is that what people are buying?
Well, it's like
What, last 2 sales are actually 18.7. Fuck, man, because I need at least 17 for this thing.
well, it doesn't make any sense. Chinese Mew is going down. That's only going up.
Is it going down?
Most people probably.
It used to be 25K.
Really? No, see, I don't know anything about it.
People were asking 28K.
Ah, so it's on the decline? Okay, okay.
Chinese Mew's a brick now.
Good looking, dude. Because you know what? I didn't scroll down far and I saw 16, so I thought it was trending up. Ooh, we got money on the table, guys. We got money on the table. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Dude, we doing it, man. We doing it.
Congrats.
What was your name one more time?
James.
James.
Palmer. Everybody calls me Palmer.
Palmer just came. I didn't expect it to happen day 1, but we just sold the BGS. Let me show the camera. 8.5. Charizard from my childhood binder. Graded, going out. Yeah, I graded this one, man. I graded this one, yeah.
All right.
Dude, appreciate you, man.
Appreciate you.
Sheesh.
Hey, just going to my kid.
Yeah?
Send him the picture of it, and he says, Jesus, why do you just have 20K in cash?
He said, Dad, what are you doing? We're good, brother. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate it. I'm glad it's going to your son, too. That's awesome.
He got outbid.
He got outbid, man. Let me stack this up. Whew. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, come back through.
I'll sell this to you in a couple years when it's 35.
Yeah. It's crazy. We got cashed out. All right, now we can actually go home. Damn, dude.
holy shit.
We did 17.8K. Collecticon day 1. Time to clean up. Record day in the books for sales. Shit was crazy today. Shit was crazy. Oh, they're turning the lights off on us, so we really got to clean up.
That's right.
That's right. That's crazy. Who is that?
Time to go bye-bye.